Welcome to the world of workplace strategies for mental health workshops. We hope this video will help you facilitate workshops with ease and confidence. Workplace Strategies develops free resources to foster positive mental health and to protect psychological safety in all Canadian workplaces. Our tools and workshops are evidence-based and designed so anyone can use them. Each of our workshops comes with a facilitator guide, participant handout, and slide presentation. Most of our workshops are designed to run from 1 to 3 hours and can be adapted if you have more or less time. It's a good idea to go through all the materials before the workshop. There are sometimes preliminary steps recommended, like reviewing your organization's policies, getting information from leaders, or completing surveys or assessments. Let's go through each of the core workshop materials, starting with the Facilitator Guide. The guide is designed so anyone can present the workshops as is or modify it to suit your workplace. For example, you'll find suggested wording you can change to meet the needs of your audience and your personal and organizational style. The guide also gives directions to help you facilitate the chosen topic with confidence. You'll find a list of suggested workshop materials like sticky notes or a whiteboard, tips on promoting the workshop, suggested wording for each presentation slide, tips to manage discussions in a psychologically safe way, and actions to help make positive changes. The Facilitator Guide also includes links to our online resources that can help increase your comfort level and effectiveness in managing responses and attitudes. The handouts align with the Facilitator Guide and presentation. The handouts give helpful information and space for notes. This way, participants can capture and refer to what they've learned and agreed to do next. There are notes about the workshop process. The handouts can be printed or used digitally. The slides are clear, visually appealing, and align with the Facilitator Guide and handout. One way to modify the workshop is to add your organization's specific content. For example, you may want to add slides related to your own resources, policies, procedures, or strategies. If you add slides, it's a good idea to build in extra time to cover them. Whether you're a leader or consultant, there are many workshops with everything you need to facilitate in organizations of all sizes on a wide variety of topics. For a complete list of workshop resources, go to clwsmh.com/materials. All of our resources are available in English and French. After you run the workshop, we'd love to hear from you. Our tools and resources evolve with user feedback and changes to the workplace, legislation, and organizational needs. All Workplace Strategies tools and resources are available to anyone at no cost, compliments of Canada Life. Use them to support employee and leader success in your workplace.